Sometimes it can be helpful for your healthcare team to review how you were feeling at a certain time, along with the heart rhythm data recorded by your LUX-Dx ICM system. So they may ask you to record information about symptoms you're experiencing. Not everyone who has the LUX-Dx ICM system needs to do this. Your healthcare team will tell you if you need to record symptoms. If requested, you'll use the myLUX patient app to record symptoms like fainting or shortness of breath. To make sure your app can record data from your ICM and transmit it to your clinic, be sure to keep Bluetooth on and keep connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. When you experience a symptom, your team has asked you to record it. Try to record the symptom as you are experiencing it or immediately thereafter. Here's how. Step 1. Tap Record Symptoms on the main screen of the app. Step 2. Follow the instructions on the screen. Connecting to your ICM device may take several minutes. A message will confirm when the transmission is complete. This will help your clinic understand what you were feeling and what you were doing when they review your data later. Hold the magnet over your ICM and wait for your mobile device to vibrate. Step 3. You will see 2 questions. First, you will be asked about the symptoms you experienced. Select all that apply. Then you will be asked what you were doing when you experienced those symptoms. Choose one icon that represents what you were doing: lying down, sitting, standing, or moving around. Step 4. Once you see a screen confirming your symptom was recorded, tap Done. The myLUX patient app will store the symptoms you've noted, along with the heart rhythms your ICM has recorded, and send them to the clinic the next time your data is transmitted. If you ever experience a symptom that requires emergency care, be sure to call 911. The app will not connect you with emergency care. Have questions about recording symptoms? You can find answers in your Quick Start Guide and Patient Handbook, or click the Learn button on your myLUX patient app. You can also call the Boston Scientific Rhythm Care Patient Services team at 1-866-484-3268.